So hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about outline property, which is kind of similar to the border property, but we'll be understanding what is the difference between both of them. So for adding an outline, we can use outline property here, just like we use the border property. In the outline property, we can specify three values, just like we did in the border property. We can specify the width of the outline. Let's say I want to give the outline 5 pixel, and the type, which can be similar to the border property, solid, dashed, dotted, everything. And we have the color property value here. Let's say I'm adding a red color, so you can see it is there, but you will find that it is kind of similar to the border. We could do this by border as well, but what is the difference between both of them? So basically outline is outside the border. So let me just add a border as well. So if I add a border with a different color, let's say blue. So now the border will be there. The blue was a bad choice. Let's add it pink. Uh, it's not visible. The yellow will be the good one. So now you can see the border is inside, not the outside. So basically outline is outside the borders. So outline is the last thing that we see in a box. So we can apply border and outline together, just like we did in this, but we can also specify an outline as well if you don't want to specify a border. So outline is the most outer area of a box or a container basically. And just like the border, we have the outline style property in which we can specify the style as well, just like we did in the shorthand property. Let me just comment it out. We can specify the solid, dashed, dotted, just like the border property. So I can specify dashed, that will be good. I can specify the outline width, which can tell that what is the width of an outline. Then we can specify an outline color. Let's say color is not the red, let's say blue. So basically you can see this is an outline. So we have specified 20 pixel of outline, and inside that we have this yellow border. So basically we can add outline just like the border, but outline is applied after the border. So basically this is the base difference. And one more thing we can do here is I can specify a solid border, let's say, and I can decrease the width of the outline. You can see that, but I can also create a gap between border and our outline. How can I do that? It is very simple. I have to use a outline offset property. The outline offset property tells the browser that I want this much gap between the border, which I have added here, and an outline. So the 10 pixel of gap will be there between outline, which is the blue outline here, and the yellow border, you can say. So this is the basic uh, difference between outline and border, and by this property we can define that as well. So we can define the gap between both of them, so we can differentiate which is the border and which is an outline if we want that. So basically it is the use of this outline offset property, and these are some properties which we use in outline. I hope you got the idea. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.